Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we'll be learning how to cut this asymmetrical gown. So let's get to it. So here will be my starting line. So from that point I'll be coming down by 10 inch, which is my bust point, my waist line, and the length of my gown, which is 28 inches or 28 and a half, depending on where you want yours to be. So once I'm done with that, I'll start taking my measurements for my dart, which is 4 inches. To get your dart measurement is your nipple divided by 2. So once I'm done with that, I'll connect a straight line down. So once I'm done drawing a straight line, I'll add half inch on the both side, and I'll be coming down from the under bust by half inch. Then I'll connect it like this. So once I'm done connecting, next is to go to my shoulder side. So I'll be coming down with the neckline 3 by 3 inches. Now I'll connect it like so. Then from there I'll get my shoulder divided by 2, that is 8. I'll be coming down by 1 inch, then I'll connect it, that will be my shoulder sloped. Then I'll come down by 8 inches, that will be my chest line and my armhole. So my armhole, I will divide what I have there by 1 by 2, then get the midpoint. I'll go in by half an inch, then I'll connect it like so. So once I'm done with that, I'll start taking all my body measurements. My waist divided by 4 plus 1 inch for that and 1 inch for seam allowance, same with the hip line, 1 inch plus that and 1 inch for seam allowance. So once I'm done with that, I'll connect all those points together. So once I'm done is to cut it out. So I'll be using the front to cut out the back. So you can see I added 1 inch for my zipper, well, 1.5 inches for my zipper. Then I'll cut it out. Then on my armhole, I came out by half inch, as you can see. Then on my neckline, I'm going 3 by 2.5. So then the shoulder slope, the same thing. I'll cut it out. Then on the zip allowance, I'll be going in by half inch on the waistline, and I'll connect it just the way you're seeing me to. Then I'll cut it out. That is basically all for the back part. So the next thing to do is to join all those front and back pieces together, and I'll pin all of them back just to be in place before cutting out my down slits. I'll just join everything together, both the front and the back. I'll pin also the zipper side like this. So once I'm done with that, I'll be coming down from the waistline. I'll be coming down by 6 inches, then I'll connect it to the full length. Yes, you can come down, you can go up more, you can come down more depending on how, but I came down by 6 inch, and I'll connect it to the other side just the way you see me doing. So once I'm done connecting it and it's okay for me, I'll then cut it out. So you can see how everything is looking. The cloth is coming out in place. So next is to join the both side, join my shoulder, join my darts, both front and the back. So I'll do that on the machine and come back to show you. So here I am done with fixing the darts and the armhole, sorry, the shoulder. So next is to pipe the neck. So here I'm done with the neck. You can see everything is in place. Now to cut the down part. So you'll be using the place that is shorter, not the longer part, to get your full length measurements. So this is me cutting out the remaining part of the gown. So I have subtracted the up part and the remaining is my full length. Remember I said you will be using the side that is shorter. So the next is to get my middle point of my gown. So I just notched it now. Now get the middle point of the down part. I'll pin it down and go to my sewing machine and also print it or gather it depending on the one that you prefer. So I'm going to go to my machine now and gather it to its complete the whole measurement of my gown. So here I am done fixing it. You can see how neat and beautiful it's looking already. So I will just press it down with my iron and come and show you the final look. But first of all, I'll attach also the armhole first before doing all those things. So I'm using a puff sleeve like you see on the first video. So I've ironed it and you can see how it's looking right now. So next thing I will be doing right now is to attach my zipper. Yes, is to attach my zipper and I'll come back and show you. And also I'll be folding the down part by a half an inch of the allowance that I put. So here I am so done with this clothes. You can see how it's looking already, how beautiful it is. So guys, if this video was helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you have any question or what you want me to do so or show the illustration, just drop it on the comment section and also drop your question there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate. So this is the final look on it. I'll see you guys in my next video. I am now. Bye.